Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I've got a 20 by 20 canvas here on my spinner, and Greg has been busy with his 3D printer creating me my Showstopper, which is an attachment to a mixer. He's actually made this whole thing. I did originally try it with my little mini hand mixer, but it went way too fast, made a big mess. So he has actually designed me one that's slower, and fingers crossed this is going to work. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And all my regulars that keep coming back, thank you so much, you guys, for all your wonderful comments and the thumbs up. It means the world to me that you're watching my videos and you're commenting. Please keep them coming. You really do make my day. Okay, we're going to be doing some boom gels, and I'm going to try it in my new Showstopper. Let's see if it works. Fingers crossed. Love you, hun, for doing this. Thank you so much. Now hit the music. Let's have some fun.
Right at home, honey, does it well. Keep me dancing till I'm dead. 'Cause I could run a mile like this, head over heels, feels like this. The sun has got me on my track. I ain't never looking back. I ain't looking back. Ain't looking back. Ain't looking back. Yeah. Deep inside the depths of stone, voice will echo, need no phone. Ruled by the laws above, nature shows me, makes me taught. I could climb this mountain now, rise above the clouds and see where all the force that kept me strong. Never did I mean no wrong. 'Cause I ain't looking back. I ain't looking back. Ain't looking, ooh, ain't looking back. Ain't looking, yeah. Ain't looking back. Ain't looking, ooh, ain't looking back. Ooh, ain't looking back. Ooh, ain't looking back. Ain't looking back. Ain't looking back. Ain't looking back. Ain't looking Come in from the darkness, don't let it stay too long. Letting go of the ego, it's harder to feel alone. Beyond your defenses, there is a life to hold. You're missing these moments, and they won't come back, you know. Will I giving old alibis, breaking bones, telling lies, letting go. We're lost in the eyes, giving old alibis, breaking bones, telling lies, letting go. Letting go. You're losing your patience, there is a price to pay. It's all in our faces, what is there left to say? Tell all of your demons the writing is on the wall. Better close all these windows and doors in the storm to come. We're lost in the eyes, giving old alibis, breaking bones, telling lies, letting go. We're lost in the eyes, giving old alibis, breaking bones, telling lies, letting go. Letting go. We're lost in the eyes, giving old alibis, breaking bones, telling lies, letting go. We're lost in the eyes, giving old alibis, breaking bones, telling lies, letting go.
These bodies can take quite a beating. They make love and heal broken bones, and keep you just fine until something inside the size of a speck starts to grow. A friend was a month from his wedding when he was sat down for the news. Then his wife, the nurse, took him over to church and said a prayer to the Savior they knew. And oh, sometimes I wonder if there's a reason life gets so hard. Well, maybe you'll find what holds you together when things try to tear you apart. The wedding was a hell of a party. We all drank and danced all night, and watched and smiled when he spun her around, and he held her body so tight. The next day his wife took a razor, shaved off every hair on his head, looked at his face and said, I love you just the same, as they wandered swiftly back to bed. Sometimes I wonder if there's a reason life gets so hard. Well, maybe you find what holds you together when things try to tear you apart. sat down in the waiting room after 6 long months had gone by, and they got the news that the cancer reduced and he was gonna be alright. But as he started remission and she kissed him on his head, he said he loved her and he was finally cured of any doubts he ever had. Well, oh, sometimes I wonder if there's a reason life gets so hard. Well, maybe you find what holds you together when things try to tear you apart. Maybe you find what holds you together when things try to tear you apart.
Cityscapes and skylines run in circles round this heart of mine. You don't know the first thing, and you don't know about me. Dreamy days and starry nights, painted canvas in a brilliant light. You don't know the first thing, and you don't know about me. Oh, it's dust, dust, dust. Dust is all we are. Oh, it's dust, dust, dust. Dust is all we are. Flicking shows most every night, muted pictures and a beaming light. They don't know the first thing, and they don't know about me. And I see my neighbor and wave hello, and we lock our doors and keep to our own. We don't know one thing. We don't know one thing. Oh, it's dust, dust, dust. Dust is all we are. Oh, it's dust, dust, dust. Dust is all we are. Oh, it's dust, dust, dust. Dust is all we are. Oh, it's dust, dust, dust. Dust is all we are. Do you know me better than what I've known? Do you see